Hi everybody, this is going to be our daily agenda for February 17th, Wednesday. Today is evens, additional reminders, there's no school this Friday to 19. So today we are continuing on with The Outsiders. Things are starting to get real juicy in our novel. We are going to do, for our daily agenda today, we are doing our Do Now. That's going to be first 5 minutes. We are writing on chapter 3. Make sure you are staying on track for these. I really don't want you guys to fall too much behind, ladies and gentlemen. Additionally, we are going to be reading chapter 4 today, and then we are working on chapters 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 for our response pages. So this is going to be our free writes for chapter 3. Cherry tells Pony one problem for the socks is having more than you wanted. How could having more than you wanted be a problem? If you were to win a lottery jackpot, do you think having more than you wanted could become a problem for you? Explain with examples and details. And that's 5 minutes. Stay on that keyboard for 5 minutes. Then we're reading chapter 4. I will be pulling up the Audible for you guys. Additionally, the Outsider response pages. So I just have 1 and 2 here, but you're going to be working on chapter 1, 2, 3, and 4 up. So make sure to stay on them to stay on track this week. And then for our exit ticket, what motivated Johnny to kill Bob rather than David? This was a really intense chapter. And was it morally wrong for Johnny to kill the sock? So definitely some questions to consider. We talked about a little bit of this murder question when we were doing our introduction of The Outsiders. So this is something I really want you guys to kind of unpack during class. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class. Have a good one.